How to remove a credit card from Roblox. Now the first thing that we need to do is open up the Roblox application. It should automatically take us to the home screen here. We want to select more in the bottom right corner, and then we will scroll down until we see settings. So just click on settings, and now from the settings we want to click on payment methods. Now, once we have selected payment methods here, if you have any saved payment methods with a credit card, it will show them right here, and you will have a little trash can icon to the side. You just want to click on the trash can or the recycle bin icon, and then that is going to delete the payment method for you. So that's how you can clear out that's how you can remove a credit card from your Roblox account on mobile. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.